Hey, are you interested in art classes? Have you ever wanted to learn to draw? How about your kiddos? Do they love to draw and paint? So every class is on demand, watch anytime. They're all recorded in real time that shows the step-by-step process. Have you ever wanted to learn to paint in acrylic paint? I teach how to pick the best brush and mix the paint to create an amazing piece of art. How about watercolor? Have you ever wanted to paint in watercolor? Here are some other things that I teach in my classes. I teach how to draw with pencils, how to blend with color pencils, watercolor, oil pastels, acrylic paint, collage, and markers. I use many types of markers, but one technique I'm going to teach you is how to use alcohol markers. I'm going to teach you how to blend, shade, and create texture with these alcohol markers. I offer 2 different types of classes. The short classes that are 20 minutes to an hour long. I have an 8-week class that is for K through 6th grade, and it actually has art curriculum. We're going to cover the elements of art and the principles of design. We're going to learn about color theory and how to mix color. We're going to start from the very beginning. We're going to start with lines. We're going to learn about shapes, geometric shapes, and organic freeform shapes. Something else we're going to learn that's going to be so much fun is we are going to learn how to draw animals, and we're going to learn with color pencils how to create texture to create their hair and blend to create the color that we need. We're going to draw this little raccoon, and he's so cute. He's holding a pink donut. I also have beginner and intermediate classes for teens and adults. Have you ever taken a photograph and went, wow, I wish I could paint that in watercolor? Well, guess what? I can teach you how to do that. I'm Miss Carrie.